Next theorem is set of example or theorem. Show that set of all rational number is countable. Set of all rational number is countable. Okay, set of all rational number is countable. How to show this set is countable? How to show given set is a countable set? Here set of all rational number, okay, means suppose that let set of rational number is denoted as Q, okay, capital letter Q, and suppose that Q is a union of set. Suppose n runs from 1 to infinity En, where En set is of the form where En is equal to 0 plus minus 1 by n plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by n plus minus 2 by n plus minus 3 by n, and continuing in this way. En is a set of the rational number, okay, En. This is a infinite number of sets where their union is equal to Q. To first to show that En is union of countable set is a countable, okay, but before that first to show that En is countable. Then En is countable, then their union means countable union of countable set is countable, okay. So En contains element of the form of 0. Suppose E1 is set of the form of plus minus 1 by 1 plus minus 2 by 1 and continue in this way. Then n is equal to 2, then 0 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 2 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 and so on. Continue in this way, we get a infinite number of set and their union is equal to suppose that Q, okay, means a rational number where first to show that En is countable set, okay, first to show that En is countable. If En is countable, then their union of countable set is countable in previous theorem, okay. Then by using the previous theorem, union of countable set is countable, which implies that Q is equal to union of this set, which implies that Q is countable. So proof of this example, let Q is equal to union of n runs from 1 to infinity En, where En is equal to this set. En contains element of the form of elements contained in this way, in this form, okay. So here we show that each En is countable. First to show that each En is countable. For that define map from suppose F from set of integer Z. Set of integer Z is countable set. See, their proof is also seen in previous lecture, okay. Set of integer Z to En and this is defined as the form of F of K, where K belongs to set of integer Z and this is of the form of K by N, okay, K by N, where K belongs to set of integer Z and N also belongs to set of integer Z, okay. To show that for countable, to show that this is bijective function, F is a bijective, then En is countable set. First to show that F is a bijective, okay. F is bijective, that is F is bijective means 1 1 and on 2, okay. To first to show that F is a bijective, to show that F is a bijective means 1 1 and on 2, okay. For 1 1, how to show given function is 1 1? Consider their images of two elements is equal to say are equal, then to show that their element is also equal, okay. So let F of K1 is equal to F of K2, where K1 K2 belongs to set of integer Z. Suppose that image of K1 and K2 are equal, then their image is F of K1 is equal to K1 by n is equal to K2 by n. Okay, here k1 by n is equal to k2 by n, which implies that k1 is equal to k2, n and get cancel, which implies that these elements k1 and k2 are also equal, and therefore by definition of 1 1, therefore by definition of 1 1, f is a 1 1, f is a 1 1. And next is for f is onto, for f is onto, for onto, how to prove these elements? Okay, let for onto, for each element in an, for each element in an, there exists element in k such that their image is equal to k by n. Okay, so here for all k by n, this element en contains element of the form of k by n, means rational number. Okay, k by n, this is belongs to en, this is belongs to en. There exist k belongs to set of integer z. There exist integer exist in set of integer z such that image of k is equal to k by n. Okay, means each element in en, there exists at least one integer in z such that their image is equal to k by n. Okay, therefore by definition of onto, f is a onto element. Okay, sorry, f is a onto function, and therefore thus f from set of integer z to en, thus set of integer z to en is 1 1 and onto, therefore by equivalent definition of equivalent set, so z is equivalent to set en, means one set is en. Okay, since z is countable set, their proof is also seen in previous lecture. Okay, the set of integer z is countable set because there exists a z and set of positive integer, means index set. Okay, there exists a map exist in, means 1 1 correspondence exist in z and set of index set or set of all positive integers. Okay, so z is countable set, which implies that there exists a function. Z is countable, which implies that there exists a function g. There exists a function g from I to z. Okay, means 1 1 correspondence from z is countable, which implies that there exists a function or 1 1 correspondence between I, set of all positive integer I to z. Okay, there exists a function which is 1 1 and onto, means set z is countable, which implies that there exists a function g from I to z which is 1 1 and onto. Their proof is also seen in previous lecture. Okay, therefore f is 1 1 and onto, here g is 1 1 and onto, then their composition function, the composite function, here domain of f is codomain of g. Okay, domain of f, here function f is defined as function f, domain of f is a codomain of g, then here composition, how to here composition define, here composition is defined from f composition g, means firstly g here starting from I. Okay, I to z to en, means composition function is defined from I to en. Okay, composition function is defined from I to en, is also 1 1 and onto, because by continuous function. Okay, composition of continuous function is continuous. Here function is 1 1 and onto, which implies that their composition is also 1 1 and onto. Okay, so f and g are continuous, 1 1 and onto means continuous function, Okay, means f and g are 1 1 and onto, then their composition is also 1 1 and onto. So using this, there exists a composition function from set of all positive integer I to en. Set of all positive integer to I is 1 1 and onto, means en, this set en and this set of all positive integer, here 1 1 correspondence exists. Okay, 1 1 correspondence exists means here at least one of the function is exist which is 1 1 and onto in this set. Okay, so therefore 1 1 correspondence exists in given set positive integer, set of all positive integer and en, and therefore by definition of countable set en is countable, because here en and I, set of integer I to en here function is bijective. Okay, so definition of countable set, en is a countable set, and therefore en is countable set means each en, for each en is countable set, and therefore countable union of, also we know that or since union of countable set is countable, union of countable set is countable by previous theorem. Okay, union of countable set is countable, therefore union of entrance from 1 to infinity en is countable. En is countable, which implies that their union is also countable, and therefore but q is equal to union of en, where en runs from 1 to infinity, and therefore this is countable, which implies that q is set of rational number is countable. Okay, q is countable, that is rationals, set of rationals or rational numbers are countable. Okay, so proof of this theorem. Then next theorem, if B is an infinite subset, of the countable set, B is an infinite subset of the countable set, B is an infinite subset of the countable set A, then B is also countable, Okay, how to proving this set? How to proving this theorem? Here given that A is countable set. Okay, here given that B is a infinite subset of the countable set, means A is countable set given and B is their infinite subset. Okay, means B contains infinite number of elements, so which is a subset of A. Okay, and to show that B is countable, how to show B is countable? Here proof of this theorem. Okay, proof of this theorem, let A be a countable set. Okay, let A be a countable set and B is an infinite subset of A, and to show here, what to show here? B is countable. Okay, B is countable. Okay, since A is countable, then A is countable, which implies that the elements of sets A are of the form of AI. Okay, means elements of the sets of, suppose elements elements of the sets, element of sets A are of the form of suppose that ai, where I belongs to integer or set of integer z. Okay, so that is A is contain elements a1, a2, a3 and up to so on, and this A is countable. This is countable number of elements contains A. Okay, let n1. Okay, n1 is a smallest element or smallest subscript, such that n1 is the smallest subscript, or this is our smallest element is also called here smallest element, such that small don't element here subscript is right here. Subscript means their notation. Okay, such that this element an1, okay, n1 is notation. Suppose this is a first element of B. Okay, n1 is a first element of B, such that an1 this is belongs to in B. Okay, then means n1 is smallest subscript. n1 is smallest subscript, such that an1 belongs to B, means this element is a first element of B, which is a subset of A. Okay, this element an1 is a first element, means which is a very small element in B, and which is first element. Okay, is the smallest subscript, such that an1 belongs to B. Okay, let n2, then n2 be the subscript, n2 be the subscript, means there in this way a11, their notation here n2 is smallest subscript, means here suppose that 1, 2, 3 are subscript. Okay, in this way elements of B are, for elements of B, they here subscripts are used here n1, n2, n2 up to so on. Okay, so n2 be the subscript, such that n2 is a subscript such that n1 is greater than n2, means n1 is greater than n2, and an2 is belongs to in B. Okay, continuing in this way, we get a set. We have set B. We have set B as B is equal to, means B contains element of the form of an1, an2, then an3. Okay, and so on. Okay, and so on. But the set of subscript, but the set of subscript is n1, n2 up to so on, n1, n2, n3, n4 and up to so on. This set is a countable set. Because why this set is countable set? Because which all elements n1, n2, n3, n4 up to so on, this all are belongs to in index set. Okay, index set, n1 is greater than n2, then n3 is greater than there exist here again n3 elements, n3 is subscript. Okay, this is also countable because this contains, these all elements are containing from A, and these all are infinite. But n1, n2, this up to so on A infinity, n infinity, these all elements are countable elements. So these all countables, which imply that this element an1, an2, these all elements are also countable, because n1, n2, n3, this set, so the set of subscript is countable. The set of subscript is countable. Set of subscript is countable. That therefore set of subscript is countable. Therefore set B is equal to an1, an2 up to so on is also countable. Okay, this is their proof of this theorem. Means given set B is countable. Okay, so how to prove here set? Okay, how to prove here given that A is countable set. Okay, A is countable set, and suppose that B contains element of the form of A n1, A n2, A n3 and up to so on. Okay, so A is contain elements A1, A2, A3. There elements of A is notation of this set. Okay, then n1, n2 up to this is n1 and n2. n1, n2 is subscript means some notation of that element. Okay, some notation of that element. Though we get a n1 and n2, n3, we get a this is a all countable set. So B contains element of the form of A n1, A n2 up to so on, and therefore B is a countable set. There, this is very simple proof. Okay.